Turn off the engine, place the car in park or in first gear, and apply the parking brake. Next we'll loosen the oil fill cap. Lock the wheels on the opposite side that you're jacking it up, both front and rear. Now with the front end of the car jacked up on one side and supported with jack stands, we will lay some cardboard down and loosen up the oil drain pan plug and drain the oil. This is the view from the front of the car. This happens to be a 15mm, and we'll loosen it up and drain the oil. Loosen it counterclockwise. We're at the front of the vehicle, so you have to remember that's from the back side. Now that the oil is drained, we will go ahead and reinstall the drain plug, and we'll tighten it up just a little over snug, about 30 foot-pounds. Next we can take out the jack stand and lower the vehicle. Next, at the front of the engine, we're going to be removing this cap here. It is a 1 1/4 inches or 32mm. It's probably a good idea to have some vinyl gloves on and a rag nearby, and we will remove the filter element. I have a new oil filter. I am going to comes with a another O-ring for the top of the cap, and I'm going to just simply take a screwdriver and pry that off and apply that. This just snaps in there. And I'll reinstall the cartridge there, and I will torque it down to 18 foot-pounds or 25 Newton meters. Before we install the filter, we're going to take a little bit of oil and put it on the O-ring here that we replaced. We'll install the filter and then put 5 quarts of 5W30 motor oil, or in metric that's 4.8 liters. Next we'll take the dipstick out, clean it, put it back in, and check the oil level. And if it's fine, we're ready to reset the oil life reminder. First we'll turn the key to the on position. It's right before the start. We'll go up here to the info center and we will hit where it says oil life, press the trip meter reset, and it will reset it to 100% oil life after it chimes 5 times. Turn the key back to the off position, and now we're ready to start it and check for leaks. Placed an oil change reminder decal in the corner of the windshield. You can pick these up at most automotive stores for free. Remove the blocks of wood from the rear wheels and the front wheels.